umaga, Chipago Morning sa Coco Crunch. Ubus agad!
Ubus mo na! Hello! Hello! Ate! Ate Bastik! I wanna hug her.
Sige, sige. Tara, tara, baba. Hello!
I wanna go with you.
Next time with Ate Farha.
Hello po.
Hello po. Si Doc po.
Hello po. Ano po sana ipaponsult na?
First time po niya magpa-cleaning po.
Opo. Tignan muna natin shield ha. Okay ka na?
Oh, kaya ko na alas siya.
Recline lang ha. Higa lang natin yung shield. Tapos, move up ka. Taas ka ha. Isang taas. Ha? Move up ka. Slide up. Okay.
Sorry.
Lie down ka ha. Move up mo. Ha? Sige. Open din mo. Very good naman siya namin, no? Maayos. Okay, water lang. Diba?
Daddy, that looks so uplifting.
Lipat siya pag sobrang lapit na niya. Kamuti driver.
Yes.
May video ka ma?
Wow. Funny.
See you next time, Clark. Number 1 pag. Pagka hindi ka naman nakakatawa na. Di ba, Jacob?
Yeah. Clark's excited.
What's that? Why, yeah.
Oh.
There lang, oh. It's only there, oh.
Ayun o.
Wow. A big mall.
We just don't know where the entrance.
Saan? Patingin.
Clark City Front Mall.
Ay, Dana, papasok na ng ano to, Clark to eh.
I like that
Papasok na ng Enders to
mall.
eh. Ay, Clark eh. Wala bang paikot dyan?
Meron pa yun.
So, what? Do you like playground? Yes.
Itanong mo dyan sa kay Kuya Guard kung saan pwede mag-entrance dito sa Clark City.
What is Kuya
Ito,
Guard?
ito.
Kuya Guard? Yes, sir.
Hindi natin alam. First time natin pupunta dito.
Ano to?
Sige, pasok ka dyan. Tanong,
Kids?
stop ka dyan kay Kuya sa
Huh?
guard.
Ito ka pwede yan. That's your,
Sabi sa mga sakyan dito, Gwen.
There we go. Oh.
Oh.
Up.
Kaya ka matdas.
Okay, matdas ka. There we go. Kaya mo lumipat.
Parang sila?
We're excited na! Yay!
I know.
Tama kasi lumipat ka pagkarap mo na yun sa
Bawal yata lumipat dito eh.
Thank you po means,
Salamat po. Thank you. Oh, we will
Gonna
park at
line
the
up yung parking
lower
natin.
ground. Lakad tayo.
Wow.
oh my God, hindi ako sanay.
First timer.
Ang bilis!
Dito, sabi.
Oh, Jayco, Jayco. Hold, hold, hold.
Hold ka sa akin.
Hawak, hawak.
Hindi ko no.
There's, oh, nasa SM na pala tayo.
Can I have ice coffee? Wait, that's so itchy.
Hold, hold, hold.
Wait, that's so itchy. Can I
Yes.
have ice coffee?
Yeah.
I want ice
Let's
coffee
try,
too.
let's try. Up.
My daddy! Go.
Pag wala ka, doon ka niya hinahanap. Daddy, oh. Wala siguro.
Mag-model kaya tayo dito. Ay, mag-model. Yummy.
Where are we going? Hello, hello. Hello po. So, pwede na kami mag-explore niyan kahit saan kami magpunta.
Sunod-sunod pang station ha.
Ah,
Pero mag-orient ako.
Orientation, orientation. Wow, dinosaur! Big dinosaur, oh. Wow! Wow. See you, Jen.
Send to daddy, ah.
Careful lang, careful.
I help you, no?
Careful.
I help you. Hi. Let's go.
Ah, like this. Ew! Look at me! Look at my dinosaur! Wow!
Next station. Second station. Body system. Ano ito? Human body system. O, tama ako. What's that?
It's organs.
Yeah, organs. And where's the brain? Where's the brain?
Huh?
Where's the brain?
Brain?
There, oh. Big brain, oh. Where's the...
Makaganyan po siya. Mas na shoulder po tayo kumuha ng pwesto. Okay?
Sa chan yan, nasa chan.
Yun.
Hindi masisira yung ano nun, ribs.
Hindi po, basta isang pump.
Yung
Yung lang ribs po kasi nandito eh.
Malakas dito.
Nasa chan po.
Sa chan dapat?
Opo. Sa chan kasi na-choke.
Sa chan talaga yun.
Pag-choke.
Hindi kaya ko seal dyan. Yan, pakinakan mo natin. Gamitan mo. Ayan. Malakas. Go, malakas. Malakas. 1, 2, 3, go. Lalabas talaga nun kung totoong tao siya. Lalabas
Opo,
talaga.
depende po kung paano niya siya ginawa. Kasi depende po.
CPR naman.
What is that? Huh?
Liver anatomy.
Oh my God! Go!
Do you want to assemble this?
Sige po.
Our muscles and this is our skin po. Okay? So when you open, it should be like this. You guys knows this? Sino may alam nito?
What is this?
Very good. So kaya hindi po pantay yung lungs natin kasi binibigyan niya po yung space yung heart natin to beat. Imagine po parehas po sila ng size. It means pag tumiti po our diaphragm when we sing or pag kumakanta po tayo ng malakas, dito po nanggagaling.
Yes, diaphragm.
Paano gamitin ang diaphragm nun?
Ito po.
Hey, look.
So, humihinga sa
It's in
bibig.
the mouth.
Opo, lumalabas sa bibig yung
Stomach,
tubig.
and it go all
So
the
parang
way.
vibrato po siya.
It's going
So this is the liver. Yung stomach po natin maliit siya. Pero
the stomach.
para po siyang plastic bag. So pag napupuno siya, nagiging bloated po tayo. Maliit siya pero nag-expand. So this is our small and large intestine naman. So you have to look it because we will assemble it later. Okay? Kung saan yung pwesto nila.
Now that's a
Saan po yung large? Ito yung large?
Ito po yung
Ito yung
small.
small.
What is this, Diego?
What's that? What's that?
Totoy. Reproductive system. Right?
Okay, are
Okay,
you
you're-
ready na?
We're gonna fix it, okay? Remember.
Oh, yes. What is this?
eye.
Very good. Ay. Are you ready
Eyeball,
na?
yeah.
Ready? What's that?
Head, skull.
Are you ready na? Okay.
You ready?
Dapat nakapunay yung dalawang makikita natin.
Magnet, it's a magnet.
Then the diaphragm naman po.
Diaphragm.
Gusto nyo tayo. Yes. Put here.
Squat, squat.